Hello, so this is my setup video. And here's my dog right there. And that's my annoying sister. This is my 3D Blu-ray, my PS3, my receiver, and speakers around the room. Here is my Panasonic 3D TV. It's awesome, right? These are the $450 3D glasses. So you can turn it on right there. Right,
So cool.
right there. And I'll show you my computer.
Stop it!
It's right there. Okay.